Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Porsche Cayenne S Hybrid. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include premium package, heated front seats, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.